How to add guest on Trello board. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add guest on Trello board. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the Trello official website and just log into your account using your credentials. And once you're there in your workspace where you want to add people or guest in the Trello board, just simply first of all open the board from the left hand side menu screen in which you want to add the members or the guest, and after that just simply click on the share icon from the top right corner of the screen, and over here you will be able to see the option called email address or name. So in order to add the guest in the Trello board, in this particular board right here, just simply copy or just simply write the email address for the person you want to add into this particular board, and over here you will be able to see the option called members. Just simply click on it and you can see that you can upgrade your Trello and you can add members as observers also, and so they can't even move and do anything around it. And you can also add a simple note over here and just simply click on share, and as soon as you share the particular invitation for the person that you would want to add, and the person will be added as a guest. So this is basically how you will be able to add guest on Trello board. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.